Banks are reassuring customer to make huge mortgage payment when different, and let's have a look. Hello everyone, Likhons here and welcome to another episode of Likhons Say. Grab a shine of coffee and let's have a look at this article from the ABC. So, banks are pressuring customers to make realistic loan replacement as their difference in oil. The bank are not your friend. Everyone whenever kind of lied to you and said they there you don't believe them. Borrowers and being present by bank to make significant bulk payment as loan difference begins wrapping up. Yeah, it's like that balloon payment at the end of the car loan. Last year's the economics impact of coronavirus focus banks to offer home owner mortgage payment holiday about 10% of barriers acceptable and pause their payment in July. The Australian Protection Regulation Authorities announced banks should extend mortgage holidays to their customer by 4 months to cover a maximum period of 10 months from the start of the replacing difference or until March 31 whenever came first. With that March deadline looming, Australian Bank had stopped offer automatically mortgage holiday and were beginning to ask customers to make or to begin making repayment according to the Australian Banking Association. Home loan deferral at Commonwealth Bank, Westpac, National Australian Bank, and Suncorp Bank dropped 80% between June and December from 40 30 40 lakhs 93 to 101 lakh. That still a lot of people that different it. Maybe they were just department. Maybe they had to make. They just thought what I am going to build up a cash reserve business loan deferral or drop almost 19% from 12 to 25 at the seven banks during the same period. But financial counseling service said while it was great to see people had starting repaying mortgage, some bank were forcing customer to make large payment to make up for their different catering plan. Director of policy at the Customer Action Law Center said the organizers were receiving call from borrowers who had been told they need to catch up on that they wine. Well, maybe they are being told they need to catch up because they are not going to pay off their mortgage with at the time frame if they don't catch up. The people don't realize this is not the bank being since you are going to pay for it one way or another. The bank are probably encouraging you to catch up so you don't push your mortgage out or you don't pay more. I mean, how many, what is this telling me? How many people are paying right to the line, right the minimum amount? How many people are there? Yes, we are getting call from people at the end of their mortgage holidays reporting that the bank is pushing them to make significant extra repayment to clear their errands rather than simply extending the length of the loan. MS Stamp said this kind of response does nothing to build start with the opportunity, those start with the community and bank of okay. In your experience, there are some people who are being requested to repay their errors in bulk amount. This is not affordable. This call significant and can result in people talking out other loan to cover the mortgage, leading to a debt disappearing. Or you can know what it could be. This is what I should suspect, that is people have taken the mortgage holidays when they don't need it, build up a big chunk of cash and just it had sitting there in a bank account, and the bank are going pay that of your mortgage catch up. You have got the money sitting right there. Remember the all monies, cause the bank can be everything together. Ken Johnson is a financial counselor at the National Debt Helpline and said callers call the hotline were starting to ramp up their especially regarding mortgage referral. People have called their bank for an extension on it's been declined on reasonable ground, he said. Mr. Johnson said on person who deferred his loan by 6 months after losing their job to the pandemic recently went back to work part-time. He said the man was due to begin full-time work in 3 months and had asked his bank for a 3-month extension, but that the request was rejected. We have also had call from people who took a month different period, and when they could start making repayment again, we are told they had to pay their reason for which for one person was $20,000. How big is your bloody mortgage? How big are those mortgages? How can people who are racing payment what 14 grade a year in mortgage repayment, how can they not have enough money coming in to have an emergency fund or stay? Maybe they brought it all. Remember, they are telling us all that people are ahead. See, I think what we are seeing here in we're seeing freeing costs, we have to be, and then they should be allowed to make regular payment again. We'll go to a different bank if you can. Another client was told they had to pay another 100k a month on top of their regular monthly payment to brings their errands break down. They are not allowed to demand people to do what that Mr. Johnson said. They are supposed to extend the loan term in increase monthly repayment by little so someone can keep their original loan term. Mr. Johnson said the demand from bank was causing a lot of the state and some people blattering. Well, maybe some people had a dose of reality to not trust the bank. This is the things. It is so sad, or to a point that people are so department that they had to depend on this happening. Did anyone plan for a mortgage holiday to stay when we had our first relation in 28 years? Did they do the back in the day, back in the last recreation Australian had to have? I don't remember there being mortgage holiday. I remember work suddenly getting quiet for my father construction firm, and client was told he had to pay his areas in full. Had been in contract with this bank every month during the several period and was never told that should happen. He said he wanted people to know that if he thought the different period was ending, they still had the legal right to contact your bank if you still require further assistance, and if you are unhappy with their response, call the National Debt Helpline, he said. Alexander Kelly, director of casework at the Final Right Legal Center, said people are being rejected by bank when they reach out for help after experiences a second round of hardship such as illness or death in the family. See, the is the thing, everything. The bank are not our friend. Their good graces are gone, are running out. We are gone start seeing it really hitting in March and even in September. Them when the combat start foreclosing on people house, then it will start to monetize. Then we will start to see the action. Actually the bank are saying that cannot apply for have friendship. Again they are giving short extension to loan reference like a month. When it's clear that won't help, as clearly said, they are refreshing to extend it because it is no longer cover related. Well, you they can take you house. Okay, people they can check if they want to do. People understand this. They are lucky. We are lucky to even have this happen. I still remember all those professional six-figure people who use no couple who are depending on this mortgage holidays to stay in the house. That scare me. That means people have taken on the too much, or they have put anything aside. Is this time hard lesson we need to learn? I get a sense the bank want to get people paying. They are being quite hardline and being sensible to when people are experiences a new hardship. She said the three of these big four banks said that while the majority of their customer who should have deferred their home loan and restarted their repayment, they should continue to provide support to those who are struggling. A spokesperson for CBS said the bank had moved to the next phase of support for customer recovery, which included customer recovery, recovering payment of debt, which including construction car customer as they appropriate the end of their temporary loan repayment. Defense spread to discuss their individual circumstances and available support. The spokesperson said the bank had frozen for sales for eligible coronavirus home loan refund customer who want to be returned to full payment until this September. A Westpac spokesperson said about 75% of customers who had deferred loan payment had begun to repay. Customer with ongoing financial challenging with receive tailored support on a cross by case basis. We look at a range of options as part of this process, such as providing more. This is to back to regular payment to subscription said. NAP Group Executive Research said the bank should continue to provide support to customer based on individual circumstances, such as fraud, reduced loan replacement, payment moratoriums, employment support, including reserve and interview skill, and access to financial counselors. Why are you going to the bank to learn how to write a resume on interview? Okay, you cannot write a resume. You are too dumb to hand an interview. Yet you probably get a loan for $1 million. Go Australian, and said banks supporting such. He is an ethic spokesperson said the bank had been supporting customer thought the uncertainty but regularly have made it clear mortgage reference should areas of this in of March. There are a number of options to thought who are still experiencing difficulty whether cover related or not thought out this, including restructuring. They are leading to reduce payment, partial payment, or short-term repayment process. The spokesperson said when entering into payment arrangement with customer, we seek to make sure they are suitable and realistic. Miss Kelly say she understand loan different could not be extended indefinitely, but wanted bank to take a announced approach to repayment. There should be hard and fast rule because that lead to panic. When people panic, they borrow more money and it leads to a bigger problem. She said if it need to be done carefully. If you don't want to get back to paying their loans, people don't want to give up their home. Some people are going to give up their homes This is a refreshing, guys. This is a what happened. Okay, the government has sucked down the economy one state after another, and it is industries are completely on government support. It is this not going to be forever. They are going to start peeling it away. You will, and you might say, on let's just keep it all going. Further generation will bear the burden of their inflation will creep away at your the value of your age and the value of assets. Inflation in another step pretty much that we will have to pay, that the government loves to make a handout candy. Image stem from the customer action law center agreed and said customer needed to know that while automatic loan refund or ending people could still apply for handship assistance. Bank need to be the right things by their customer. They are going to be a temptation for the bank of protection and customer to reply, but this simply should be a realize for the many Australian families. She said, our message is for people to speak with the bank if they are in financial difficulties, and if you are unhappy with the response, make a complaint to the Australian Financial Completely Authority. And I should suggest don't throw them, don't trust the bank, and do whatever you can to work yourself out of this situation where you are no longer dependent on the good graces of third party to take care of you or to keep your family in your house. That the challenge, guys, it is not going to be easy for everyone, and this you are going to start to see the recession impact manifest over this year. I don't think we are out of this wood of the wood yet. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscription to the channel if you are a fan and enjoyed this content. I collect together here. There are a few ways you can support us. You can join us on YouTube or patron the support as using our affiliate link from Amazon, eBay, Independent Reserve or Aussie Broadband. You can guys march from high success. Use Gold Pass from the Department of Support as by PayPal. Take care everyone, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.